Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, we've got an essential topic to discuss: boosting and strengthening your immune system naturally. With everything going on in the world today, having a robust immune system is more critical than ever. In this video, we'll explore some straightforward and effective ways to improve your immune system. We'll cover topics like diet, lifestyle, and simple habits that can make a big difference. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools to help your body defend itself against illnesses. So, let's get started. Number 1. Understanding your immune system. Before we get into the tips, let's take a moment to understand how our immune system works. Our immune system is like the body's defense force. It's always ready to protect us from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and even cancer cells. But sometimes, our immune system needs a little boost. That's where these simple tips come in. Number 2. Eat well for a stronger immunity. The first tip is all about what you put into your body. Nutrition plays a massive role in keeping your immune system strong. So, let's talk about foods that can help you boost your immunity. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, especially those rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Think citrus fruits, berries, spinach, and broccoli. Incorporate foods with probiotics, like yogurt and kefir, into your diet. These can support the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which is closely linked to your immune system. Number 3. Hydration and immunity. Staying hydrated is often overlooked when it comes to boosting your immune system. Drinking enough water is essential to keep your body functioning optimally. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps your body flush out toxins and supports the proper functioning of your immune cells. Number 4. Quality sleep for immune health. Getting a good night's sleep is like hitting the reset button for your immune system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. During deep sleep, your body produces proteins called cytokines, which help regulate your immune response. Number 5. Stress management. Stress can weaken your immune system, so it's crucial to manage it effectively. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. These can help lower stress hormones and promote a healthier immune system. Number 6. Regular exercise. Now, let's talk about another powerful immune booster: exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Exercise increases the circulation of immune cells and enhances their ability to fight off infections. Number 7. Immunity boosting supplements. While getting essential nutrients from food is ideal, sometimes supplements can be helpful. Consider taking supplements like vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc if you're deficient in these nutrients. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. Number 8. The importance of hygiene. Now, let's talk about simple hygiene practices that can go a long way in preventing infections. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Proper hand washing can significantly reduce your risk of getting sick. Number 9. Social connection and immunity. Believe it or not, social connections can also impact your immune system. Stay connected with friends and loved ones. Having a strong support network can reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Number 10. Immune-boosting recipes. Now, let's wrap things up with some immune-boosting recipe ideas. Try making a nutrient-packed smoothie with spinach, berries, and Greek yogurt for breakfast. It's a delicious way to kickstart your day with immune-boosting nutrients. And there you have it: simple and practical tips for boosting and strengthening your immune system naturally. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you can help your body stay strong and resilient. Thanks for tuning in to Health Buddy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Take care, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.